this guide, I'm going to show you how you can like the game and join the group in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. If you're in the game currently, you need to hit the little Roblox icon up in the top left, hit leave, and then hit leave again. And essentially, once you're out, you're going to be put on the game page. If you're not on the game page, open up the game page first. And essentially, what you need to go ahead and do is just back down and scroll a little bit. And you're going to see a little like option here. Go ahead and select the like button. And of course, that'll go ahead and like the game for you. And then just keep scrolling down a little bit as well. And what you're looking for is this little section that looks like this. Find this little developer option, select that, and then hit join community. And that's going to be joining the group for the game. After you hit join community, you're good to go. That is it. It's super simple. You've now liked the game and joined the group under a minute. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.